taking the lesson number 4, that is about the reading and making of the maps. In today's class, we will be going to go with the other subtopic, the other synopsis, that is about the scale or distance on a map. Text on the page of 4. Scale or distance on a map. So basically in the yesterday's class we were getting to know the scale means the actual distance, of the place is reduced. So now here in the previous classes we were getting to know about the dilations, how the basis has been get done. But as of now we will be going to have a look on the scale, that is of dilation on a map. On a pleasant evening, Malika took Laila to see the village stream. They walked over the bridge. The bridge has 6 lamp posts at equal distance. The distance between two posts is about 100 meters. The length of the bridge is about 500 meters. Look at the following picture. So this is what here on the page 4, figure 1.4, Laila and Malika walking on the bridge. So this is what about the bridge. So what they have been saying, the bridge has 6 lamp posts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 lamp posts, and the distance between two posts is, this is one post, second post, it is of 100 meters, and the length of the bridge is here, the complete length from here to here, it is about the 500 meters. So in this way they have been discussing now. Now after the walk they came to the place. When they came back, Laila wanted to draw a sketch of the bridge and the lamp post on a paper so that she could take it with her. When she was drawing the lamp post, she took care to draw them at equal distance. The distance between the first and the last lamp was about 5 centimeters, and the sketch was much smaller than the actual bridge. So now here, after coming back, this is you have been going to get a comparison here in the see out. In the figure 1.4, how much big the picture is here. Actually, this lamp, the distance is about 100 meters. But here when she has been drawn, she has been get the distance between one mark to the other post, this lamp, it is of 5 meters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 centimeter she has been took out each mark. So this is of figure 1.1, but this is one the original the picture where they have been walked, and this is what the Laila has been drawn this figure, but the distance she has been reduced now. Measure the total distance in Laila's sketch map from lamp post 1 to lamp post 6. The actual distance between the two lamps is of 100 meters. So I am just going here. I am just going to have a look on this figure 1.5 and we will be going to have a look on here figure 1.4 and also we will be getting the 1.5 figure. Okay. So here it is a figure 1.4. What we have been seeing again, you are saying now 100 meters. This is the distance between the poles. Distance between one to other lamp. Then next is this figure only 500 meters. This is the length of the bridge. Length of bridge. Now coming to the figure 1.5. In this figure, she has been done the lamp. This is of 100. What she has been took means in this one lamp 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. what below the figure 1.5, the fourth line. This is here you have been going to write the 100 meters. Now, in the sketch, the distance between two lamp posts is about 1 centimeter. So how much you took? 5 centimeters for each lamp. No? So this is what only this is about distance between two lamp post is only 1 centimeter. Next, total distance is 5 centimeter. Now, you might have also observed Laila has drawn the lamp post at equal distance. You can also write down the relation between the distance of the bridge, its representation in the sketch in the following way. So this is what we have been going to write down. In the first dots 100 meters, second is first 1 centimeter. In the second column out 5 centimeter. Now we have been going to have a look on the complete presentation. So 5 centimeters on the sketch map is equal to 500 meters. So here we have been given 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters is equal to 500 meters. This is what the answer. The next 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. So this is what the other column. So this is called the scale. We used scale to show the actual distance in the ground by reducing it on the map. Maps always mention the scale they use, and we can find out the actual distance between the places using the scale. You might also have observed the word scale in the maps. The scale is a ratio of distance between the 2 points, the bases on the map, to the actual distance on the ground. It can be expressed in different ways. Statement scale. Here the scale is stated in the words which has 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer, like a simple statement. As for the simple statement scale, we know that if we measure 1 centimeter as the distance between two places on the map, the real distance on the ground is 1 kilometer. So this is what the actual figure is of 100 meters and 100 centimeters. 100 meters, whereas this one, length of the bridge is the 500 meters. Now 100, so 5 times 500 meters. But actually, when Laila's figure she has been brought, this one lamp she has been took into the 1 centimeter. So basically, we got into the 500 centimeter. The actual one she has been taken. So that is what about the scale. The big picture, if it is been get drawn into the small slice by reducing its complete figure, the distance is what we can do here. Now we can find out the centimeter into the actual places into kilometers of the places. Now next one, we are going to have a look on this yellow color in box 1. Textual page of 5. This is we have been going to deal now. And once again, I am just going to recall this one. In the first blank, 100 meters. Second blank, 1 centimeter. Third is 5 centimeter. Fourth is 500 meters. And next is 100 meters. So 5 columns we have been discussed now. Now we are going to go with the inbox, yellow color inbox 1. Textbook page 5. Yellow color in box 1. So here what they have been given again one more example that we have discussed in the previous one into centimeters, but now here we are going to go with the kilometers. So here this is about one place and they have been given this arrow mark. Here it is one place. This is about Vanapati. Next is about here Mehboob. The places names. So in the given case, the distance between Mehboob and Vanapati is given in the form of a line. The actual distance between these places is 50 kilometers. So this is the two places, Vanapati and Mehboob, and from here to here, it is the place distance is 50 kilometers. So now we are going to go with the example of the places in the form of in kilometers. In the previous one we have been showing into centimeters or the meters. Now measure the line joining the two places and find out the actual distance on the map. So we need to go with the map to find out the actual distance between Mehboob and Vanapati is 50 kilometers. In the first column, because it is of 50 kilometers from Vanapati to the Mehboob Nagar, that is of 50 kilometers. Based on the distance between Mehboob Nagar and Vanapati on the map, can you find the scale on the map? Now scale if we are going to take out. Now in this way you are going to write down either now this column where I am just going to write down. So basically you can go upwards here, you can write up, or else you can write here near to the side this one side places where about this information you have been going to write down at the top here on the top level, or else near to your yellow color inbox one where you feel comfortable to getting to know, there you can go it up. So here I have been said on the first answer, that is about the 50 meters. So whatever I am writing the information on the top level or by side, you can go complete with that one. Now distance on a map. Distance on a map is 5 centimeter. The next scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers. So now 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometer. Then 5 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer. So now 50 kilometers is equal to 5 centimeters. So here you are going to get this information, you can go complete in the side of the one. So actually we know the distance here, what it is been going to get show the places of the places. This is here Vanapati distance 50 kilometers, already they have been mentioned out here. The next one, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers we can take up. So in this way the scale, the distance on the map is 5 centimeter. The next comes scale is about 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers. So 1 centimeter into 10 kilometers, 5 centimeters is equal to 5 into 10. So how many will you going to get here is 5 into 10 is equal to 50. So this is what we have been getting to know. So 50 kilometers is equal to 5 kilometers. So this is what the scale distance on a map of this Vanapati and Mehboob Nagar, that we can say 5 centimeters on the map. But actually it is of 50 kilometers. Now try to look at your district map and find out its scale. Then measure the distance from your village or town to a few other villages or town on the map and find out the actual distance. So basically here they have been given out the activity to find the similar one you need to find out from your class the things out. So this is what about the scale, how it is been get measured, kilometers type of things. So this was been about the scale. I'll just once again getting to know about the info, what we have been getting to know about the scale on the page of 5. This on the figure 1.5. The first one 100 meters. Second is 1 centimeter. The next is 5 centimeter. Next comes here 500 centimeter. Next comes here 100 centimeter. So in this way, this is what. The next comes here yellow color inbox one. So whatever the information I have been wrote here, you have been going to get complete here in this yellow color inbox one. This side information. Now next we coming to the other aspect about the other subtopic on the page 6, that is about the symbols. So what comes here the symbols means we already know symbols are nothing but it's an indication to show the places. In regarding the symbols, I am just giving only the glimpse of the symbols what it is mean. So symbols to show the objects, to show the things or objects in the form of pictures, in the form of picture of symbol. So what are the symbols that will be going to get include out here? Means there are in the form of point, in the form of line, in the form of area, and symbols have been get classified into the different types of one, like religious symbols, religious, public. So likewise, the point is in the form of point, line is in the form of line, like here area means in the formation of trees, like next to wells existing out. All these have been going to get existing out the places. Religious symbols, all these have been getting to know here, but because on the map we cannot able to draw or cannot able to show the actual places. So places means we can reduce, we can get into know, but to know the roadways, track lines, police stations, religious mosques, church, all these places, big trees, plantation, we cannot able to draw. So for that one, we are going to use the symbols. So common type of symbols have been known as the conventional symbols. Here we can have a look on the figure 1, that is about the study the map to find out how to use the symbol. This is what the symbols. The next here index few types of symbols. Their names also been mentioned on. So this is how the symbols they have been using to get to know the formation, how it is been getting used, the complete formation of the different kinds of. You can have your own symbols also. So this is about the symbols. This is of the map. This is about the index. Still, you can get to find out more about the symbols from your atlas or from your sibling the textbook part to get to know more about the symbols, how it is being used, what are the things. So regarding the symbol one, we have been using the symbols in the short form into the map as well. Either with the symbols in the form of the point, in the form of line, or in the form of the areas like trees, like water bodies existing, and it will be on the religious places, public places. Religious places means symbol of church, mosque, all this. Public places means railway lines, bus stop. The next is coming to the police stations, all the water bodies, rivers flowing, tanks. All these are going to get shown in the form of the symbols. So in your textbook already it has been given, and on the other side, the inbox one they have also been given. So in tomorrow's class, we will be going to go in detail about the symbols of this one. So until then, you just complete out the scale about the two differences what we have been discussed. Go through your textbook. introduction reading and once refer the atlas also to get to know more about the different kinds of symbols and where it has been used and how it has been get used out. Thank you.